Today's topic is studies of market failure. There's market failure. Market failure occurs because there's a free market. So it means due to the inefficiency of the free market, we arrived at this. So it's an economic situation that occurs when there's inefficient distribution of goods and services within the economy or within the market. That's what market failure is. So what brings about market failure? That's what we're going to talk about. So the first thing we need to know is what market failure is itself. Like I just said now, it's what? An economic situation that brings about inefficiency in the distribution of goods and services. Do you get the point? Great. So you can write. That is market failure. Okay, we'll continue then you write later on. So like I said, the goal of market is to allocate scarce resources. In many cases, markets are extremely efficient. Markets are an extremely efficient way of doing this. However, in some cases, markets fail in one or two ways. So, to allocate resources, it has to be done through the price mechanism, which is a free market. We talked about price mechanism at the beginning. So if at the end of it all, there's price mechanism and there are still inefficiency in terms of allocation of resources, that means there's still market failure. So market failure could occur in one, when market leads to production of too many or too few goods. This is known as partial market failure. When you produce too much or you produce little, then that means you produce more than what is being required, or you produce less than. Stop writing, please. When I'm talking, you don't write. Stop writing, please. When you produce too much or you produce too little, then there is market failure. So that means you shouldn't produce more than what is being demanded in the market, or you shouldn't produce less than what is being demanded in the market. So if this happens, it's called what? Market failure, which is partial market failure. Then the other one, much more yearly markets may not exist, known as missing markets, leading to no production of goods or services. This is a complete market failure. When we are demanding for a product, but it's not available in the market. So, do you get the point now? There's market failure when we produce too much, too little. One. There's also market failure when we cannot even find it in the market. So those are the two situations that brings about market failure. The first one is a partial market failure because it can be corrected. The second one is a big market failure because at that point in time, we can't even find what we really wanted to buy in the market. Is the difference between partial market failure and complete market failure? Is it clear now? Great. So you can write. Why are you not writing? Why are you not writing? You write in the paper. Do you need a paper?
No.
Yeah? Yeah, please. You have to write in my class.